You should never start a video with introducing yourself. If you fail to hook your audience in the first few seconds of your video, they're not gonna watch it and it will fail on YouTube. Because YouTube only promotes the videos that people are watching for as long as possible. So what is the right way to start your video and to introduce yourself? Let's find out. One of the hardest things on YouTube is to convince people to watch your video. There is so much content out there. There are so many options to watch. But let's imagine that you published a video and someone decided to click on your video. The hard truth is they clicked on your video not because they care about you or they care about your channel. They don't even know you yet. But they clicked on your video because they care about the topic. So when someone clicks on your video, they are deciding in a matter of seconds whether to keep watching your video or not. That's why if the intro part of your video is irrelevant or boring or doesn't provide any value or maybe it's too long, they are quickly out. And when that happens, it signals YouTube, it tells YouTube that your video is not worth recommending. Let me show you something. From YouTube Studio, go to Content, select one of your videos, scroll down to Audience Retention, and you should see a graph here. What we see in this graph is that most viewers quit watching the video within the first 30 seconds, and when that happens, it tanks your average view duration and the audience retention. These two here are critical metrics for the YouTube algorithm, and if they are low, then your video won't perform good. Now, if you look at my channel size, you see it's not even 2,000 subscribers yet, but I have videos that got me 70,000 views, 60,000 views, 47,000 views, because all of them, they have great audience retention. So I achieved on these videos to convince people to watch my videos longer. But if we see my other videos that don't perform so good, we see that they have a very low audience retention rate. So that's why you should start your intros immediately. That is very relevant to your topic and the title of your video. You should also tell what the viewer will get if they decide to watch your video, or what they will lose or they will miss if they don't watch your video. Your intros should be to the point, don't waste any time, and also try not to be boring. After you achieve to hook the audience and they decide to keep watching your video, at least after 30 seconds, now you can start introducing yourself if you prefer. Hey guys, my name is Cem. My channel is about content creation and online business. If you are interested, consider subscribing. 10 seconds, that's it. Then you continue your video. But what about call to actions? Your call to action should also feel natural. Instead of pushing people to like and to subscribe at the beginning, try to integrate your call to actions naturally and preferably later, much later in your video. First, you provide value, then you can ask them to subscribe or to comment or to like. If you ask me, the most important call to action is not to subscribe, to comment, or to like your video. As I mentioned before, YouTube cares a lot about watch time. So what you should do as a call to action, a must call to action, I will say, is that you can link a related video to your current video, and you need to suggest the viewer to check out your other video after watching this video, which will increase your watch time significantly, because first they will watch this video and then they're gonna watch your next video, which will increase your watch time significantly, and YouTube loves that. You can link your videos by adding cards, or you can link them in description, or you can add end screens to the end of your videos. So if you want to become successful on YouTube, make money, become a full-time YouTuber, I have a dedicated video podcast for that. Make sure to check it out. And if you need more tips for improving your audience retention, then check out my next video.